In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find suppliers on Wayfair. Whether you're a business owner looking for wholesale opportunities, a savvy shopper interested in brand details, or you're simply curious about the makers behind your favorite products on Wayfair, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the simple steps to easily uncover supplier information on Wayfair's extensive marketplace. To get started, you'll first want to head over to wayfair.com. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Wayfair web address in the address bar, or if you already have it bookmarked, just give that a click. Once you're at the Wayfair homepage, the real fun begins. Next, you'll need to search for a product. Think about what you might be interested in today. Maybe it's a cozy new sofa to refresh your living room, or perhaps you're looking for a unique lamp to add some flair to your space. Whatever it is, type the product name into the search bar at the top of the site. You'll notice a variety of results pop up, each showcasing the wide array of options available on Wayfair. After choosing a product that catches your eye, navigate to its product page. You'll likely find detailed images, descriptions, pricing, and more. But what you really want to pay attention to are the sections further down, specifically the specifications or about the brand areas. This is where Wayfair provides important details about the item and its origins. In these sections, you'll find the supplier's or brand's name. It's usually right there, waiting to be discovered. Once you spot it, you can easily click on the name. Doing so will lead you to a curated list of more products from that supplier on Wayfair. It's a wonderful way to explore all that a particular brand has to offer and perhaps discover new items you didn't know you needed. But what if you're not looking at a specific product and instead are just browsing through categories? No problem. Wayfair has a simple filtering feature that can help. When you're exploring a category, take a moment to glance at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option to filter by brand. This allows you to streamline your search results and focus on specific suppliers that you're interested in. These straightforward steps make it easier to gather information about suppliers on Wayfair, empowering you with the knowledge of who's behind the products you're buying or planning to buy. So whether you're shopping for yourself or conducting research for your business, these insights can help you make well-informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing on Wayfair.